How to create customer guarantee page or section in your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create guarantee page or section policy in your Shopify store. It's going to be very easy and simple step. We're going to use app from Shopify App Store. So in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the apps. Here, you can click on it. And then in the search box, you can search section, and then you can click search in Shopify App Store, and then you will find a lot of option here, as you can see. But what we are looking for is this one, section store. You can click on it, and as you can see, this is the best app we can use because they have a lot of good reviews and good ratings. You can see the reviews here, you can read it, and also it's free to install. So you can just click install here. I have already installed it, so I can just click open. And after that, you will be in this page. As you can see, this is my templates. So you can click explore all section here, and then it will brings you to the template page. So you can see a lot of templates here. In the search box, you can just search guarantee, and you will find two options here. We're gonna use the free one here. You can click on it, and then you can see the demo here. You can click on it if you want to see it. And this is the preview of the guarantee section or page. And if you think it's good, you can just click get free section here, and then it will add it to your template page. Now you have to add it to your theme, so you can just click add to theme here, and then choose your live theme, and it's successfully installed. So now you can just click customize in and choose your theme again, and then you will be redirected to your website editor. Now I want to add the guarantee as page or section in this area, maybe in this one. So I'm gonna click add section here in the template. Then you will find a lot of section here. I'm gonna search guarantee, and you will find this one. You can click on it, and it's edit, and I can just customize it. You can change the text in this section. You can customize the feature text, the guarantee icon, and others. You can customize it as you want. You can explore it. And I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.